YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
And the other Andrea.
Yeah, apparently I have an accent. Don't know what's going on with that.
What?
Whatever. And Tim
is here, you guys. He's hanging out with us, trying to figure out what it is that we do on video for YouTube.
Yes.
Okay, so we are off to do our plan with me. We're working on Monday the 17th through Sunday the 23rd.
Can you believe we're already more than halfway through
This
June?
month. I know, this is nuts.
That's crazy. Shut up, boy.
It's nuts.
He's making fun of me already.
So let's pull this out. Wow, last one. Last sheet because I have the back too.
Oh, okay, because I was going to say, I'm pretty sure I did a double-sided.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our new
kit for the week. It is Under the Sea, and it features a mermaid, Bibbles, a seahorse, a really pretty rainbow fish, a starfish, and Bubbles, and an oyster with a pearl. And it's hand-drawn by yours truly, because, you know, most of it is. So that's the first sheet. And Mom showed you the deco sheet real quick.
Not yet. I'm going to do it
mind.
now.
I'm sorry, I'm ahead of the game. This is the icon.
She won.
Icon, quarter boxes, half boxes, and headers, and date covers. Then this is the checklists, the weekend banner, the page flags, the script stickers, and the date dots.
Yay.
Last but not least is what I already told you about. This is the deco sheet. It comes separate. You can get it as an add-on, or you don't need it at all. It's up to you.
I love the deco.
It's optional. That's what I mean to say.
It's so cute.
Thank you.
It's worth adding it on.
It is. To me.
Alright, let's put our girlfriend here, our little mermaid, Bibbles mermaid. I love her little bow, her little bra.
Well, I had to put some clothes on her. She's always naked, so I was like, you hussy, you need clothes.
Yes.
For once.
For
one out of a billion times that she'll wear clothes.
We don't have no appointments this week.
No, we don't. Interesting.
Yeah,
no,
that's
we don't.
rare for us.
Oh, okay. He's not saying crap. He's not saying crap. He is silent as the dead. He's just laughing in the corner making fun of us. I like the colors. I actually went with the colors of the different items I made, of the different deco I made, and then I just made them lighter.
I love the colors.
Yeah, because see, like, that blue is the exact same blue as the pearl and the bubbles.
Oh, okay.
And then the pink is, this peachy stuff is the peachy stuff in the middle.
Ah.
Yes. That's how I get my palettes. I get my palettes based off of whatever I've drawn.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you. Not sure why I said yeah, but okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice. What?
What? Did she say that was nice?
Okay.
What?
Okay.
So Game of Thrones is over.
And you can't talk about it because two people in here can't have spoilers.
Oh no, I wasn't going to talk about it. I'm just saying it's over, so I can't write it down for Sundays anymore.
No, nor can you talk about it because two people in here can't have spoilers.
No
No talking
spoilage.
about it. I've already been spoiled enough with it. I'm so mad.
Don't be mad.
Oh no, I'm mad because everybody hated the series finale.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you can't go into it, but just say yes, everyone hated it.
Yeah, everyone was really upset. I was kind of upset too.
Oh, that is not bode well for me.
Yeah.
Or Timmy. Eventually when he sees the show for the first time ever. Which should be soon.
Well, yeah,
We
you
need to
could
get a
just
hold of
watch
the
it.
DVDs. You Wendy?
Does she have all of them? All the DVDs? Not yet?
She's the first one. No. She has all but one. She's all but the last one.
He's doing sign language
yeah,
right
it's
now.
really annoying. And, oh, he's giving me salty face. That means I'm in trouble, folks. I'm in trouble.
Uh-oh.
At least it's not the big one. No tickles, no stickles. No stickles. No stickers. I
So
always like
Tim
that.
rides a motorcycle.
Yeah, he's not going to talk about it, but that's okay. He's looking at you murderously, Mother.
But I think his motorcycle's really cool.
It's fun. I've been on the back of it multiple times, and it is awesome. And he was teaching me how to ride my own scooter that I had, and that didn't work. But it'll happen again one day, and hopefully I don't drop it on my leg again. You know. But you live, you learn. You drop it on your leg 6 times.
That scooter was as heavy as a motorcycle.
Oh yeah.
It was
300
freaking heavy.
350 cc's? 300 cc's. That was close. I'm close.
It had 300 cc's in it. For you nurses out there that are going, what is she talking about, 300 cc's?
No, for those of you who ride bikes, you know what I'm talking about.
You know what I'm saying.
Yes.
I'm going to put my fish.
It's 300 cubic centimeters. He whispered it.
I'm going to put my little fishy right there.
Oh, that's a big fish.
And then I'm going to put her in the middle over here.
Bibbles.
Bibbles.
Bibbles gives
and
me
it
bubbles.
ties and everything.
I'm just randomly talking. Sorry.
That's okay.
Kind of randomly manic, so it's fine. Was that a sparkle or a bubble?
It's a sparkle.
Ah. Aren't those pretty?
I love these little dots.
Yeah, I made them, and they're going to be featured on all my deco sheets in the colors of that specific deco sheet.
Gotcha.
Not like they're not all going to be teal.
Right.
This one was specific for this one.
Right. So whatever the color scheme is on the other one, it'll be.
Yeah, and there'll be little glitter dots to go with the deco to add to the deco. I have no idea what I'm saying. It's okay.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Oh, no, we don't sing on this channel, you know.
Yeah, that's
We don't.
true.
This is it every time. And now I'm whispering to him, because this is his first visit to the show. What are you doing? No, it's
cute.
fine. It's cute. What are you doing?
Decorating.
Oh, okay. But you're silent. It is creepy.
I like that.
Yes, that is cute. It looks like it is underwater.
Yeah.
You didn't use any of the bubbles. Oh, you used 2. Okay.
I used 1, 2, 3,
No,
4,
the
5.
bubbles. The actual bubbles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're right.
We do get Happy Mail
When?
Tuesday.
Ooh. Is it from Michael's? Michael's?
Hopefully.
I hope so, because...
They lost our Michael's package,
I
so
could
they had to resend it.
Yeah. And Mom ordered us budget extensions for our mini happy planners, and I could really use it
Yeah.
because, dang, I suck at budgeting.
I did get a new Happy Planner. So did Dre.
Yeah. I would have to go.
Mine is...
The Wrong Happy Planner collaboration, and it is a dashboard layout. And I will be making sticker kits for the dashboard layouts for the Mini Happy Planner for those of you who happen to have a dashboard layout. So look forward to that. Stay tuned. And I have a mini vertical, so it's going to look, the layout kits I'm making for that are going to be very similar to the classic Happy Planner layout. So look out for that too. And I'm working on a billion things at once, so look out for all of that stuff.
Yeah.
I have so much stuff in my queue, it's not even funny.
She has a queue, guys.
Yeah, I have a queue. Queue woogie. I know you know. Don't make me talk to you off the side. It's like I'm talking to someone insane. People, he is making me insane. And he's just laughing because he knows I look insane now. He's like, ha ha ha, I win. Yeah, it's still kind of not in frame. There you go. Now it's, because it was kind of up.
Was it? Mm-hmm. Thank you for fixing that for me.
Okay. Tea? Mom said we can have one. Grab a tea. No. You said we're staying up. Grab a couple tea bags.
I'm doing the weekdays now.
Better known as date covers. Or date headers. Whatever you want to call it. Mom calls it the Monday through Sunday stickers.
They are. They're Monday through Sunday stickers.
But the easier way to say it is a date cover. Mom's always like, here are my Monday through Sunday stickers, and I'm like people don't know that, Ma. We already know. And the date dots, which are microscopic and you need tweezers for. Highly recommended.
They fit perfect though in these boxes.
They do. They are perfection. They're just a little finicky to get off the paper. No, I'm kidding.
That's the user.
That is user error.
Yeah.
Oh, when did you put down the weekend banner?
While you were talking.
Okay, well, that makes sense. You shut up. Shut up. You're so bad.
I was all like, hey, Dre. And you were like,
You didn't say anything to me.
I was waiting for you to break out in song.
Well, I might.
Yeah.
But I won't, because I don't want to get copyrighted. Nope, not that one especially. That's a big one, that's still Disney. Nope, that's still Disney. Still Disney. Mom, oh god. First she wants to break your eardrums, then she wants to get copywritten and have no audio.
I like copywritten songs.
Everyone likes copywritten songs, that's why they can't be used.
I know, right? This is so cute.
Thank you. Or, I mean, how you're doing is cute too, yeah. That's probably what you actually meant.
No, the whole thing is cute.
Oh, okay. Everything is cute. I'm just going to end on that because I'm talking myself into a hole.
You like swimming.
Jeepers.
Then we have Thursday is trash day. And we get to eat dinner once this week.
On one special day, we have to pick.
And we get to take a bath this week.
Shopping day. Shopping day is 17th.
It is.
Yay! We're looking forward to it.
We're in a time to plan.
There's no payday this week? I thought there was a payday this
No,
week.
not the next week.
Oh, dang. I have an expansion pack that's coming out for The Sims 4 on the 21st.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
That's something you could put in your planner.
With one of my Plum Bob stickers.
Yeah.
Plum Bob Bibbles.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to do that. You just gave me an idea.
No paydays.
We
Shopping day.
shopping day,
trash
happy mail, trash day.
Time to plan.
We're not having any baths or appointments or dinner
No movie
or movie
night.
nights because
We're boring.
broke.
Yeah.
We're boring and broke.
Yeah. Till next week.
And then we'll be boring and
Broke
rich.
again. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. The stickers turned out so adorable.
It's really pretty.
I love it. Even that fish is so cute.
Even that fish, like it was the outcast. How sad.
Yeah.
It wasn't the outcast. It
That
was
poor
It
little-
was the show.
That poor little fish.
That fish was the whole show. You don't get it.
Yeah.
That's why it's rainbow.
It's a trout.
It's a
Yeah.
rainbow trout. Yes. That looks like a goldfish.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.